Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make a task recurring in your account on Evernote. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to Evernote, and what you want to do is navigate to tasks, my tasks here, and you will see all recurring tasks by, or you will tell by that small symbol here, which means today is the due date, but it is also being repeated on a specific day. So let me convert that task here into a recurring one. To do that, click into it. And here next to due date, you will see that repeat button. Click into it. And next, simply customize the frequency. Like let me repeat it on a daily basis, but you can also go with a weekly or monthly basis. Start date, the interval. And that's it. You may add also a time for the start date. Click into done, save, and now the task has been converted into a recurring task starting today. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.